Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the desktop version of YouTube on your phone. And I know that many of you do your editing and YouTubing on your mobile device. And there are some things you can't just do on your YouTube Studio application, which is found right here. So the first thing you want to do is to go to any web browser installed on your phone. So you can go to Safari or go to Chrome. But I would click on Chrome. So in the search box, I would type in youtube.com desktop site. Alright, I clicked on go. Now I went ahead to click on the first search results. So in most cases, when you click on the first search results, it might display a pop-up asking you if you want to open the YouTube Studio desktop site in Chrome, Safari, or any other browser installed on your phone. So luckily for me, I didn't get the pop-up. It only directed me straight to my browser and opened the YouTube Studio desktop site. So yeah, you can go ahead to navigate to understand the interface and do any editing that is necessary, like editing the subtitles in the videos, adding timestamps, placing the ads in your videos in specific durations, and many other things. Alright, I hope you found this video helpful. If you are new here, kindly subscribe, share and like my videos. Thank you.